Okay. Sir, today's street demo, would you say it's a success? Because I already had, they said, oh, we're closing today like a civil servant job in the ministry. That, oh, we're closing, and people are still saying, let's go to Eagle Square. What's your take?
Well, I think it's largely successful because before now, all the coercive apparatus of state and those who wield the apparatchik of political suzerainty never thought that the people would dare the machinery of state. You can see all the way from Beggar Junction up to AP here. It's been an excitement. People have worked themselves into a democratic paroxysm of princess, expressing themselves in very loud and clear terms. Everybody have gone to Martin O'Nipples to say Kabudo rejectament, the removal of subsidy. And everybody is speaking with one voice. And this is not only happening in Abuja, this is happening across the length and breadth of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And like I said, when I gave my Demosthenic rank, I did say that all the ratiocinations, all the adumbration, all the verbagogical effusion that has been put forward by imperialist economics and petty bourgeoisie scholars of the Jonathan administration are for theory. Suppose the reason why subsidy from fuel must not be removed. Because they are saying that the only reason why they are withdrawing fuel subsidy is that the system was inefficient, the system has been corrupt, and due to a defalcation and malversation of a microscopic few, which they call a cabal, the Nigerian people are not benefiting from it. And the question I ask is that why will you pass the inefficiency on the system to Aminu Kanu Talakawa?
Wow.
Why will you pass the corruption by a cabal to the ragtag and the bobtail? When you do that, then you have torpedoed democracy and you have enthroned what I call cabalocracy.
Wow.
Which is the government of the cabals, by the cabals, and for the cabals.
Do you think this government are going to block the rights of the people?
They would budge if the NLC, organized labor, and a coalition of civil societies, and me and you do not take the path of sequestration. If we do not take the path of recumbency, if we do not become, in the course of the struggle, turn away from this militant approach to become political hallelujah boys, they would bow, they would blink.
Thank you, sir.